Hi, I am K. Sridhar, studied in CSCA section. I am explain about tech talk topic is control systems. Control systems. Why automatic control systems are required? Automatic controls has played a virtual role in the advance of engineering and science. It is a more important in space vehicle systems, visible guideline systems, robotic systems, modern manufacturing and industrial process. For example, numerical controls of missions tool in a manufacturing industries, design of autopilot systems in a aerospace industries, design of cars and trucks in a automobile industries, speed governance. Next one is it is also essential in a industrial operations as controlling pressures, temperatures, hummability, viscosity and flow in process industries. Automatic controls helps in a attaining optimal performance of dynamic systems, improving productivity, relieving the during the of many routing repetitive manual operations. Next one, examples of automatic control system. This is the diagram. See the easy to understand. Next one is concepts of automatic controls. A automatic control system is a preset closed loop control system and requires no operator human actions. Automatic control use application of mechanisms to operations and regulations of processes without continuous direct human intervention. This assume the process remains into normal range for the control system. An automatic control system has two process variables associated within a controlled variable, a manipulated variable. A control variable is the process variable that is the maintained at a specified values or within the specified ranges. In the previous example, the stored track level in these control variables. Next one is a manipulated variables is the process variable that is acted by control systems to maintain the control variable at the specified value or within the specified range. The flow rate of the water supplied to the tank is manipulated variable functions of automatic controls. In any automatic control system, the four basic functions that occurs are measurements, comparisons, computations, creations. Basic definition. System. A system is a combination of an arrangements of different physical components which are act together as a entire unit to achieve certain objects. Example, a classroom is a physical system. A room along with the combination of benches, blackboards, fans, lights, arrangements, etc. can be called as a classroom which is acts as a elementary system. In a classroom, professor is a delivered his lecture. It becomes a control system as he tries to regulate it, direct or command the students in order to achieve the objects which is input to good knowledge to the students. Next one is basic definitions. Plant. The partition of system which is to be controlled to regulated is called the plant. Plant may be a piece of equipment, perhaps just as set of mission parts. The purpose of the plant is to perform a particular operations. Example, mechanical devices, a heating furnace, a chemical reactors as the spacecraft. Process. Any operation to be controlled is called a process. Example are chemical, economic and biological process, etc. Next one is controller. The element of system itself or external to system which is controlled in plant or the process is called a controller. This on off switch to be controlled to bulb. See the diagram, easy to understand. Next one is input. It is an apply to single or an extension signal applied to an control systems for an external energy source in order to produce a specified output. For each system there must be extension and system attacks. It has an input output. It is the particular signal of interest or the actual purpose obtained from an control system when input is applied to it. For analyzing the behavior of system for such as input, it is necessary to define the output of a system. See the diagram. Controller process, control output, distance of output, manipulating variables, command inputs. Next one is distributiveness. Disturbance is a signal which is intended to advertising affected the value of an output of a system. Disturbances are undesirable and unavoided effective behind our control generated from the web outside process environment and form within. If such as disturbances is the generated within the system itself, it is called as internal disturbance. The disturbance generated outside the system acting as an extra input to the system in addition to an normal input affected the output adversity is called as an external disturbances. The presence of an disturbances is in one of the main reason of the using control. See the diagram. Next one is classifications of control systems. Natural control system, universe, human body. Man-made control systems, vehicles, aeroplanes. Manual control systems, room temperatures, regulations, view electric fan, water level controls, automatic control system, room temperature, regulation, view AC, human body, temperature controls. Next one is open loop control system, washing machines, televisions, electric fans, closed loop control system, refrigerators, autopilot systems, driverless cars, linear versus non-linear control systems, time invariant versus time variant, continuous data versus discrete deterministic. Thank you. This is my Tech Talk topics.